What's up guys, welcome back. In this video you will discover how to get dark mode in WhatsApp for Android right now. If this video is helpful for you, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. It will be very inspiring for us. Let's start the video. One of the most requested feature in WhatsApp over the last couple of years has been dark mode. It is finally available on Android and iOS. You can now manually set dark mode for WhatsApp. Here's how you can get started with dark mode on WhatsApp for Android. Here's what you need to do. Open WhatsApp from the app drawer or home screen. Tap the Action Overflow menu. Hit Settings. Select Chats. Choose Theme. In the Choose Theme dialog box, select Dark. You should see the interface. Switch to the dark theme. That's it. You should now have dark mode set up for the messaging service. Dark mode looks particularly good on WhatsApp because of the green accent that are present throughout the interface. I have had dark mode enabled for over a week now, and it makes a huge difference in how you use the service. It's easier on the eyes. That's all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. Feel free to like, comment and share. Please subscribe to our channel and get connected with us for more this kind of videos. Thanks for being with the Tutorial Lab.